$150,000. That's how much the minimum starting salary for every single career right now that I'm about to show you. And not one of these jobs existed like 2 years ago. So AI didn't just change how we code, it created entirely new jobs, jobs that companies are desperate to fill right now, jobs that pay more than the most senior developer roles. And I didn't believe these are real jobs until I saw the postings myself. We'll get there right now. So before I show you the 5 careers, let me explain why they exist. AI and ML job postings up 85% year over year. 53% of all tech jobs now require AI skills. Last year it was only 29%. And MCP, the Model Context Protocol, hit 97 million installs last month. Every AI tool now talks to a MCP. And by the end of this year, an estimated 90% of code will be AI generated. And that last number is the one that matters. When the AI writes 90% of the code, you don't need more code writers, you need new roles. The old jobs are shrinking, the new ones now pay more. And here are the 5 you should know about. So, career number 1, prompt engineer. Now I know what you are thinking. Prompt engineering, that's not a real job, that's just typing. Well, the thing is, 2 years ago, you'd be right. But in 2026, prompt engineering means designing entire AI agent pipelines, writing system prompts that determine how a company's AI behaves, building workflows that chain multiple models together. This isn't like write me a haiku. This is design an autonomous system that handles customer support for a 10,000 user product. So Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, they all hire for this. But it's not just AI companies anymore. Banks, healthcare, e-commerce, every company now deploying AI that needs someone who can make it actually work. So starting salary 130 to 180,000, senior roles at Google 245K. And here's the thing, you might already have the skills for this. If you understand how LLM works, if you have written structured prompts, if you have integrated APIs, you are closer than you think. Career number 2, and this one literally didn't existed 18 months ago. MCP integration specialist. So MCP is like a model context protocol, which is the standard that lets AI tools talk to real world services. When Cloud Code sends a WhatsApp message, that's the MCP. When Cursor reads your database, that's MCP. When any AI agent connects to any tool, that is MCP. It hit 97 million installs last month. Every company is adopting, and almost nobody knows how to build with it. So these specialists build the bridges between AI and everything else. They design MCP servers, connect APIs, make AI tools actually useful in production. 140 to 200,000, and the demand is growing faster than any other role on the list. If you know Node.js or Python, if you have designed APIs, if you understand how tools connect, this role is wide open for you. Career number 3, AI code reviewer. Here's a stat that should worry every company using AI to write code. AI generated code is 10 times riskier than human written code. 45% of it contains security vulnerabilities. And 1 in 5 companies has already had a security incident from the AI generated code. Someone has to catch all of that. That someone is the AI code reviewer. This isn't a normal code reviewer. They don't just check for bugs, they check for hallucinated logic. AI introduce security flaws, architectural patterns that looks right but don't scale. Every company writing code with AI needs this. 140 to 260,000. The high end is because the best AI code reviewers prevent $1 million security breaches. Strong debugging skills, security awareness, understanding of architecture, and the most important one, experience reading other people's code. If you have done code review before, you are halfway there. Career number 4, AI safety engineer. This one has the most interesting growth trajectory of any role in this list. So AI safety engineers make sure AI systems don't produce harmful, biased, or dangerous output. They do red teaming, trying to break AI systems before bad actors do. They design guardrails, they build the trust layer between AI and the real world. Who hires? Anthropic, OpenAI, Google, DeepMind, but also governments, banks, healthcare companies, anyone deploying AI where mistakes have real consequences. And here's the growth. This specialization has seen a 45% salary increase since 2023, the fastest growth of any AI rule. 160 to 220,000 with projected 26% job growth over the next decade. That's 6 times faster than the average career. ML and AI fundamentals, ethics and bias detection, security engineering background, and a research mindset. The willingness to find problems nobody else is looking. Career number 5, the one I've been holding back. I told you at the start that I didn't believe this was real. Let me explain. Vibe code auditor. In early 2025, AI researcher Enrich Karpathy coined the term vibe coding. The idea that you don't write code anymore, you just describe what you want and the AI builds it. You vibe the AI codes. It took off. Millions of people started building apps, startups, entire products without writing a single line of code themselves. And then the problems started. Vibe coded projects hit a wall around the 3 month mark. The code base grows beyond what anyone understands. Security vulnerabilities pile up. The AI introduces patterns that look correct but fail under load. 90% of vibe coded projects never reach production. Someone needs to come in, audit the entire code base, find the debt, the security holes, the architectural rot, and fix it, or tell the company it can't be fixed. That's Vibe Code Auditor. Specialized firms have already launched Vibe Audit, HubQL, vibeaudits.com. They do 24 to 72-hour audits of AI generated code bases. This career literally did not existed 12 months ago. 150 to $400,000. The senior auditors who can unravel an entire AI generated code base and tell you what's safe and what's going to explode, they command the top end. A career that didn't exist a year ago pays $400,000. 5 careers, all paying 150K or more, all created by AI in the last 2 years. Prompt engineer, if you understand how AI thinks. MCP specialist, if you love building integrations. AI code reviewer, if you can spot what AI gets wrong. Safety engineer, if you want to protect people. Vibe code auditor, if you can untangle chaos. Which one surprised you the most? Tell me in the comments. And here's the real message: the developers who thrive in 2026 aren't the ones who fear AI. They are the ones who saw new problems and learned to solve them. These 5 careers are proof that AI doesn't kill opportunities, it creates them. If you want more videos like this, real careers, real data, no fluff, subscribe and see you in the next.